Hello everybody. Now I'm going to explain the offset entities of SolidWorks. Now let's begin. The offset entities of SolidWorks is here. To explain this one, let's draw a circle. Okay. Now go to smart dimension and take this one 30 mm. Okay. Now I want to draw another circle just outside of this circle, and that will be just 5 mm away of this circle, and that circle will surround this circle. Now in order to this one, I am just going to use the offset entities. So click on offset entities. Now it is 10 mm, but I need 5 mm. Okay, now just select this circle, and this is another circle just outside of this circle. Okay, now I want to draw another circle just inside of this circle, and the distance will be just suppose 8 mm. Now I'm just selecting offset entities. Now select 8 mm, select this circle, and from here select reverse direction, so it is inside. Now click on OK. So this is how we can use the offset entities of SolidWorks. Thank you.